Alright guys, I still got a couple things to do to this cart yet, but I've also got a lot done tonight. Got the header installed, I got the brakes done, and I might have to add dual brakes because it doesn't want to hold this thing back too well. Alright, let's move it out a little bit so we get some clearance for the tires. Switch on, choke on. I'm just using a wire for the throttle. Anybody want to race? Woo! That sucker is loud. I think I saw some flames blowing out of that exhaust. But whoo! Now there you go. And I do have the brakes bled. Yeah, the e-brake handle works, but it still does not want to stop this monster. So I might have to look into, I don't know, 3-piston brakes or something. Anyway, sorry guys. Shoot. All right, anyway, I guess we'll see y'all later.